Start. By the present petition, the applicant is challenging the very initiation and continuance of criminal proceedings under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 against the applicant in the Court of Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class, Durg under case number 6976 2017 under bracket captioned as Manmeet Singh versus Vaibhav Jain bracket close, showing him as proprietor of a company without impeding the company and making the applicant liable for alleged liability of the company for prosecution and punishment, and since the aforesaid action amounts to abuse of process of court and abuse of process of law, the proceeding commenced against the applicant is liable to be nipped at the bud, and therefore the applicant is invoking inherent powers of this honorable court under section 482 of CRPC on the following facts and grounds: shorn of all superfluities, brief facts of the case as under. 1. The applicant has been served with a summons for his appearance before the Court of Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class, Durg in criminal case number 6976 2017 filed under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1981 and a bracket for short, the Act of 1881. Full stop. The applicant has obtained certified copy of the records, including copy of alleged check and other documents, and since all these documents are relevant for disposal of the present case, the applicant is filing the copy of complaint marked as Annexure P1 full stop. Copy of check and order sheet is filed as Annexure P2 full stop. Para. The applicant says and submits that issuance of process in the captioned matter in the facts and circumstances of the case is abuse of process of court and abuse of process of law, and in such circumstances the applicant has been advised to invoke the inherent powers of this honorable court, and accordingly the present petition has been filed, although it is true that case under section 138 of the Act of 1881 has already been registered wide order dated 4/9/2017, and thereafter on appearance of the applicant, and since the entire prosecution of the applicant is under challenge, the applicant says and submits continuance of proceeding is bad in law, full stop, para. The applicant says and submits that a bare glance of the complaint and documents will make it clear that the complainant has alleged issuance of check in respect of alleged liability of company, namely Vicon Automobile Private Limited. Full stop. Thus, it is clear that the liability, if any, is of the said company, and merely saying that the company is of present applicant, he cannot be held liable for any alleged liability of the company, full stop. In the matter in hand, no document has been filed in respect of applicant's association with the said company, and by any stretch of imagination, even if it is said that the applicant has any association or he is director of the company, in the facts and circumstances of the case, the respondent complainant has failed to issue notice, file complaint against the company, and only the present applicant has been made party in complaint case filed under section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 under bracket herein after referred as Act 1881 for brevity bracket close, ignoring the provision of the section 141 the Act 1881 full stop. Para. Needless to mention here that certain receipts have been given by the company which has not been placed before the court below, full stop. In sum and substance, the contention of the applicant is that the company and its directors have separate status in the eyes of law, and unless and until in respect of liability of the company, the company itself is made a party, the director cannot be held liable, full stop. In the recent matter of Himanshu versus B. Shivamurthy, reported in 2019 3 SCC 797, and N. Harihara Krishnan versus J. Thomas, reported in 2018 13 SCC 663 full stop, replying upon the Anita Hadda versus Godfather, reported in 2012 5 SCC 661 and Charanjit Pal Jindal versus LN Metallics reported in 2015 15 SCC 768, the Honorable Apex Court has held that prosecution under Section 138 of the NI Act 1881 is not maintainable against the director if the company has not been made party to the complaint, full stop, the relevant paragraphs of which are quoted below, full stop.